Alright, we're here to replace the winch strap that busted on us. The unmotivated dad here doing some boat work, boat video. Yeah, take a look at that. Well, I cut part of that. She blew out right there. So we're gonna replace it. Looks like to get to my bolt, if you can see, I've got a bolt holding my strap on. I'll have to get in there, get that bolt off. I could probably do that with some open end wrenches. Alright, got my new strap, Fulton 4,000 pound working load, which this boat's 5,400 pounds, but it's only holding a portion of it. This is the direct replacement as far as I could tell. 20 foot. I got my bag full of tools I had to bring. I was hoping to use some power, but I think I'm gonna have to get in there with an open end wrench. Okay. Hope that camera angle's okay. That look like 12, 13 millimeter. Oh. Oh no, 14? Could it be? Yeah. Could be, and it is. Alright. 14 millimeter it is. Alright, I think what I'll do... I don't have room on either side, so this bolt is bent, if you can see. Basically from the tension when people have tightened this down, slowly bent that bolt, but at this point I kind of don't care about that. I just want to get it off. So I do not have two 14 millimeters with me, of course. And I can't get my nice little ratchet end on that freaking bolt because it's so close to the shaft there. So let's see if I can get a little extra. There we go. Come on. I guess it may have been worth taking the plastic shrouds off, but looks like the way this is put together, they are bolted through the main shaft and then the secondary bolt down there, which is, I guess, good for stability, but lame for ease of maintenance. Alright. course.